1 2 3 1 2 3. Is everything working? It seems to be working. So where was I? I was in I am kind of like this machine language is taking too much time. Let's go or assembly. Let's do fence. Oh, yeah. Did I push yesterday? I did push it yesterday, right? But what? Oh, okay, no problem. One, two, three, four. So let's do 4 here. Instead of displaying matrix, let's print the matrix and let's see. There is no loops in print matrix for sure. So let's see. Team.py is equal to input data is equals to f colon is equals to opm. Let's equal files development equal to like dot with text to view. sorry. Row 0 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3. Third row, last column. It says 3. Which I messed up this loop. If I do with +1 and add +1, this makes does it make sense? It kind of does. Okay, someone went and tried this. Temp is there, right? This is there, so notice is percent verify, sense verify, I understand you. working is fine. Make ASPLA display haptics. ma io utilizza 3,4. Sorry. Yeah, one it goes copy to matrix. Is that wrong? Copy to matrix. RX, 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 RX. They are preserved. RX, 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 RX. ये चीज ले रहे हैं, बफर ले रहे हैं. इसे मैट्रिक्स EVX, EDX. HCX में EDX ऐड करेगा. EDX include करेगा X करे. X ले people करे. Okay, right. Now EPX मध्ये वो है. So I need to do this every single time. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Don't see. See, Unicode ASCII. ASCII table equals ASCII. There is something I forgot about its name. Not ASCII, it's something like character table. UTF. X1 33. Backslash X1 B bracket 1 0 comma backslash X1 B comma 15. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ए उन छोरी मेरो आफ्नै परी जाउन छोरी मेरो कताबारी. Now I have factor and U accent of Sakiti minero haino. element magic card game. ये ले लो. Can I put in a request for IDs to build function tag with first class tags? Purely function language first class tags. Okay, let me do. Shall I continue factor or address to? Okay, wiki list number of issues this particular word changes. This is running official tracks. User support. Okay. Does it have subline? Okay, no. For now, let's do differences. Then SYNT syntax. Okay. Okay, let's do this today. Site paragraph and traits. Main IO put is spring electric. GMP. Yes, yes, yes. GMP3 GMP okay mo is this finishing? I already finished. This is new language. Idris. The element of magic suggested this new language today. That's why. Internet, nothing. All down living directory. This to internet, distance appropriate. Nothing to it. So basically, it's now working till now to. You finished all A to Z. Two languages are left. UX Anthal and something like Factor and UX Anthal. Today finish that. Machine code is completed today, so I have used this one, but I haven't done it. Is not sure if it this builder is. It suggests it wants to your, like if you look here, right, it wants to use Idris tool. I only read docs and like the features. Okay, no problem. It wants Idris tool, but it has not installed Idris tool. That's the problem right now. So let's search for minus I and everything ID RIS. I think this one. That no thing. Like mata cola community contributor. I see this is self-hosted. Yes, I got that, but it's trying to install itself, but it had not installed my path, and I have not found its lazy beam and beam Idris to lives. Okay, it has my NB as Idris support, LSP support. That's nice to find. What I want. Let's configure that MK. What install this binary install? Okay. Let's just do that. It has not installed, right? What's the issue? Prefix, dollar prefix. But phone right off. Make target please. I'm fine with that. Make sure that okay, make sure that prefix bin is in your path. Export. Around Kina. Without, if you have existing register, you know, installing without existing register, you can build. Let's get sources to material settings to do it. Racket. रहु जहिले भन्नु निके भानु ढुङ्गाटी पिटे हानु त्यहाँका कुरा नहोस् कहिले जानु कुरा गरे कुरैको दुःख माया गरी मनु मेरो फुट्यो नलाखाहरू छुन्नलाई ओठ नखाउनलाई त मन नछदैछ छुन्ने हात अनि नछुन्ने साथ त्यो जमाल्न आफूलाई आफै त छँदैछ Rindu solo Paya rindu solo. There needs to be some progress bar here. I really don't know what's happening. Okay. Let's learn the language till then. Go press start to find out the first class that is impact is the free first chapter by tab removement with the address briefly it means function to get. I remember I tried installing it is true a while ago. I got it installed after doing schema install like you did. I think you are right. Thank you, thank you. I'm using Racket as of now because I already have Razik. I don't have Sizik. So I'm doing Racket because I already have Racket installed in mine because last time I did a Racket challenge, so I have Racket installed in mine. But I don't have CH. CH is it? I don't have this CH. I don't have this 6, so I'm doing Racket as of today. Let's hope it goes well. While it's compiling, let's learn about the language, right? What's it does? So basically, for main IO is main IO. Okay, there are IDR, IDRIS, IDRIS. Yes, yes. Game of life dot IDR and dots make file. So IDRS is 2.0 this but I it's okay. It is nice that it has syntacticality. Okay, I got syntacticality also. So basically I think this is type, right? This is type and this is main definition of that. So main definition will be like put strn, put string with line jellold. Hello. Okay, 250. I think it's going to take much time. Either is online. This is similar to ASCII with notable difference one. It is strictly evaluated, which makes game of life more difficult. Okay, I like difficulty. It is dependently typed, which makes some function clean. Dependently typed. What do you mean by that? You can check it on. Lazy facility mean like in ASCII you can do something like random like a list of 1 to infinity, and it will only loop to something but it doesn't calculate anything, right? That's lazy, right? Like we have very big list, it doesn't compute every single item in the list, just compute it there. What need to okay. Can you explain this dependently type? What does this means? Dependently type. I don't get it. Dependently type. Test. Welcome to this. But even type, I mean type can be parameterized by value. Function can compute types. Oh. Okay, so see if I define a value variable, let's say int or str. This means a function can define its type. By define type, I mean like type can be parameterized variable. So it's difference between compile time and runtime mode. String is multi-slit is okay. I think I saw it here, something like no smelling. My bad. My first side is function visibility private. Let me shift with compiler. Prelude is always increase the load. No prelude. Most is part of the type which is you. 0 means the value is erasing compile. 1 means that value is linear type. Value can be used with. But which just you 0 means the value is erasing compiler. So if I have value like 10, then if I do new variable is equals to variable times 10, then this is going to be erased with something like 10 times 10 during compilation. So this will have multi sets of value 0, right? And 1 means the value is linear type. Linear type means if I give type int actually the case the docs is based on the quantitative type theory. A code language developed by the program agreement. 0 means the value is at runtime. I think you said compile time. It's runtime, and the variable is used exactly once at runtime, which means same behavior is at this one. Variable is erased runtime. You can see the multiplication variable by inspecting the words. For example, if you have a following is correct definition of append vector, break1 and a this is compile time. What yes, okay, I got it. Vector and a, it takes m, takes n plus n a. Append x to x, what append and RHS right inside. You can look at the whole of x. So 0 next to m comma a, and there what they are 0 current set runtime. It's guaranteed that you will set runtime. So it is everywhere here, and what that means is that while the vector has a length, we only care about its length during while. We never ask vector what its length is during the runtime of the code. I don't think that's right. See, if you look at meaning the variable is erased at the runtime, you use the variable and erase it. Something like let's say like consuming a stack. No, there will be stack language. This function language should not consuming a stack. average that we care only about the length during compilation. I don't think that clears me, right? Don't you say that the variable must be used exactly once? By use mean value is either a type of primitive value, it is pattern match against AX by being the subject of the decision or function argument. So basically linear basically means if I have a match value, so this is going to be linear, right? Because it's going to be used only once and never again. Just return one. Here A is linear. If it's only going to be used once. For example, we may write zipper that combines two vectors to same length. But while zipper insists the vector have same length, it doesn't inspect the length of the vector. Like if you have lower zipper, it can go the end of one smallest element in there. Okay, that makes sense. So 0 means just in compile and care, in runtime we don't care about it. Linearity means it's 1, like duplicate x, it takes a, it doesn't care about x later on, we have no value. Okay, let's try to interpret. Let's see, x is 1 is why, what's cool about it? Yes, x is 1 because it's going to be only used once, after it's not going to care about it. I got that one. 0 a is a type, that's why in runtime we don't care about a because type, we ignore that, right? If we use x for the one part of the pair, then x will be 0. Type of meaning the voltage, we cannot use it for other. Imagine if we have a function of multiplicity 1, which is a argument one time, and we call it with a value of multiplicity 0. Well, then we have mismatch because 1 times 1 greater than 0. Okay, 0 and arrow on from the multiplication table with us to type check everything nice. Okay, so it's all about types, not value. Actually, sorry. Okay, let's type something. Okay. It's super cool, but you can mostly ignore it for now. Yes, I just want to know what, like, I need this first. Okay, first know about some form of array or list, insert and read from into or from array slash list, be able to print let's say utf-it terminal for loops, and if else. I think this much, at first I need to care about this much. If else or match case also is functional program, so let's do match case, not if else. So it's functional, so not do for loops, it will be recursion or map or iterate to it. So I think this much I need to know about. Let's do that. one of the core feature. In this one, you kind of have to guess what got erased during comparison. That's super efficient. Which carried around a bunch of type information for no reason. Oh, okay. So it's for optimize compile time optimization. If the program knows programmer knows which value are used once or 0 time, they can just completely erase that. It's okay. No. Oh, I need something like documentation. No. I didn't guess because most code is also correct address, but you have to show a colon with the old colon. This for types and this. So let me try to copy my ASCII code. ASCII. Oh no, I write in a not ASCII. Sorry. Shit. No problem. Crash course in ideas, identity crash course, prelude, if base packages, network test, interest prelude. Let's do base and prelude. Interface norm, returns type norm. The norm interface defines a basic numerical arithmetic. Method plus ty, it takes ty and get answer ty. It takes 2 ty, it answer ty. Interface is source for type class. Okay. From integer text integer returns type. Why did we change this symbol now? Interface type negative. Yes. In ASCII we do something like single arrow. There is a type class constraint. Yes. Okay. Okay, so order here, do I have control that have monads? Oh, I don't want to do monads. Just give me array. Okay, I found a list. I need a console now. I need a console or IO. This function takes two TYs and returns TY, assuming TY is a number of negative plus. Yes, REPL. Yeah, so it has you type IO, text string and rise to IO. Okay. std out. It's const add element to the end of the list. Example inter string is int boolean type returns inter string 2 equals to int false equals to open register to find out your first class type. We are basically like defining types. Inter string type is int boolean, it takes true then return, if it's false return false. So reverse is int boolean. If it's true is int, otherwise don't string for inter string. Oh sorry, should be colon not there. Okay, no for int string to No, it's doing something like let's do a simple definer int or string history. Here a value, right? If value return int, else return students. Isn't this using something like this? It's type, right? Not definition like type def. On the basis of this value, it says. So basically, here what is happening here is something like, so reverse is true. If when I put true, that means it can expect that it is a string. You can expect it is a int. So is it true? You can imagine it's just a regular function because types and terms live in the same until compilation. Yes, this is going to get confusing, like which one is a function, which one is type definition. But let me not get that. So what is basically doing is type. I'm trying true. Let's say there is show function something. So I'm just saying, so here basically is define so or reverse is int if is int so int is reverse str. Okay, this could pass into it. So reverse is a great example. It was implemented for me. Yes. On the first parameter, it calls different types. Or we can, like if we do type def so or reverse with true comma x, it will return so int with false comma x returns reverse x. Know that int and string are both x here, which has different type in both branches of it. Yes, I got that. Basically, we don't know the type of this function doesn't know the type of second parameter, this parameter, second parameter. So this function doesn't have to know about the type of this parameter. On the basis of this boolean value, it can assume it's int or string. Okay. So printf is format is string and print type format. So we see data anti such that anti using a single text type. For example, natural number established a declare in the standard library. Natural number z s natural number may be a just z or s a natural number. Nothing or just a. So this is optional. Okay, list a either nil or if they are doing type maths in this direct here. Okay, if it's nil, it's no problem. Otherwise, it can be split into a, then return a. Natural number plus natural number gives natural number. Okay. Sk plus y gives sk plus y. जिंदगी How many things are easy compiling? By the way, my personal experience with different types is they're a bit like salt. They keep your code from going bad. Yes, but a lot of it makes everything better. I different types in my code, but only struggling. Okay. What's your language? Go-to language? Which language do you prefer most? This is my first time doing like type-oriented type programming. I have never focused in my types. I just write code as of today using Haskell right now, but I also programmed a lot next. How is it is very famous? It is. I never heard about it. Back to it is since it is true. Do you have job in this or just for fun? Like is most mature dependent type language by mile. I have never done in type oriented programming, right? That's why I never knew about it. I was more focused in procedural language. That's why if the language looks like C, I can write it. I know about lambda, like I know lambda itself and cube itself, but not together. But together, no, I don't know. Okay, but article that is very useful. Let's do LMBD lambda cube. It's the cube of functions. Type theory or existence lambda gives a frame of interesting and convincing different dimensions of calculus constructions in a nice and simple step. Lambda calculus in dimension of q. Lambda omega, lambda c, lambda pi omega, lambda p2, lambda p, lambda omega, lambda arrow. So we go from here to either here or here. What's happening? Types can be bind. Simply type lambda calculus. The simplest system found in lambda cube is simply type lambda calculus lambda arrow. In this system, one way to construct an abstract is by making it only. The bottom left corner means terms can depend on terms. Or in other words, we can have function. If you define function f takes x equals to y, then f is a term that depends on a term. But you can also have a type defining depending on terms, term depending on types, type dependent types. I cannot think of like I cannot even read this properly. Like you can types depending on terms, terms depending on type, and type depending on term. So your terms implies expressions slash statement. Types depending on statement or expression, and terms depending on types. Term depending on types also called a polymorphism. Yes, I got that. Now terms depending on type is called polymorphism. Types depending because generic for type construction. Okay, then types depending on terms is the most advanced. Is called dependent types. Dependent types depending on term. Types depending on term. As terms depending on types depending on types. If you have all three, like this, the language is called proof assistant because you know to identify programmers. Oh, so like I have heard about like proof assistance. Basically, if I like something valid statement,
Let me just write this first. Okay, it's compiled now. Make install with installation. Make install. Baku suruh hatiku now sedih tertina. Usah aku kita kali Ramadan. So if I do ls dot address, so I have to do xp or xptx path is equals to dollar of home dollar pats password id. Okay, I recommend mostly just programming in address with no user different type and only use different type with it. Instead, for instance, you might try to function that operation and a script and use different type of to express the n is equals to m to make a good square texture. Like is a different type to their full capital is extremely non-obvious even for the my mind is still going like round and round. Let me write game of life here and okay. So put str how do I call a function? It one parent is the creator of the iris says to start with almost no different type and slowly add them in. Okay, first tell me how to call a function. So unifying IO make IO prime poster document you want to say value of document you want to say yes I've done. I want to call the main call the main. I thought main will be called by default but it doesn't seem like that. We have to do this. But it doesn't seem to print this allowed. Okay. it did not call. So so the interpreter type, yes, I did that. It doesn't invoke the main function. It just gave me the type annotation of that main function. I wanted to call it, but it didn't call it. So let's do like address. That is actually a list of I operations. How? Am I not just calling println with this value? Computes a sequence of I operation. So if I call main like something like I'm calling the main when I'm invoke the main, it should invoke this, right? So see that actually printed. You need to compile your code to it. Okay, let me see how to compile it. See, check the example, check the source code, output, check the output file, execute the function after checking source file. Okay, minus x main, minus x main. I think the enemy will be very superior to ask for because it shows the Windows directory use -v to pass the option to ceiling lines. I think the enemy will be very superior to ask for because it shows you what to printed rather than actually properly printing option. I think this is more, but I want to call that function. Just let me part. I will print it. Help me out. Help me out, please. I need to build. Okay, build more executor for the given package. Build. So all program compilation overrides machine. So I found my notes. That's how I did it. Okay, let me compile. Game of life dot out. Game of life dot out. No. User will be schema not found. SS. Okay, it's inside build folder. Exec. Roll that out. Schema is not in your path. I don't know what schema do you want me to build. I haven't write a single file, compile that file, run that file. I don't want to set up whole directory. It does have option to, sorry, that means something else. It does have option to like initialize the project, right? But I don't want to do that. I just want to write a single file, compile that, run that. No packages. This, can I do that? Just write single file, compile that, run that. My enter command is this. Tell the when I do the exit build. See, that's I cannot run that like I cannot run this. I don't have this SO. I need to put it has to be this like build live etc. It doesn't have SO, but rather SS. Look into for your execute is probably there over there. Yeah. So this symbolic link. Okay, let me do something like, let's go to build. Project shell script. What the fuck? It is generating shell script. Why are you doing that? Just give me the app. Just give me the app. This is racket script from what I know. So basically I can do like, if I get tilde slash game of life, the racket slash make file. So basically it's racket dot slash cool dot ss. More allegation but not from something else file. Expected multiplication but from something else. Scheme. What is this? No, I have built with racket. I don't have a scheme. I need to recompile everything with scheme now. But I just can I say racket? I'm using racket. No scheme. It is a installation prefix. Where is the installation? This uses this means this racket. Type check bill. Okay, let me go with it trace tools in it. CLCM schema. Install CLCM schema as well. You could have just said that you have to use schema no matter what. Right? They are just making things harder. Installing with existing, make all install option, installing existing library documentation. Optional, okay. Sometimes with this choose your own adventure station guide, there are right and wrongs. Yes. I've realized this that it's goal.ss. Cannot open shared object file, no such validity. Lead support. Hi. Idris. Okay. It will take data dot essentially data dot Does it take callback? Do an import or release is top of the file, then you can just say okay, that sounds nice. Also for the type you need list, int, list, char, etc. Notice. Okay, my bad. Does it compile? Or pressing the right and only for I am to mismatch type list int and what may be that interest. Thank you. So I want to iterate through it and put so how to use conway, otherwise it's polymorphic type x. Okay. Function to iterate x, then a list of repeatedly applying partial function until exhausted. You want to print out all the value in the list. Yes, I want to call iterate on x with a function put int. That's what I want to do. My parents was my list. So Okay, it should not work, right? Yes, okay. So confirm. List string and I. What do you have? A tab is now. Okay. While processing right hand side, display matrix for unifying list string and IO. Map so exit. Okay. The step can tell me this. What does so does? So does it print to the string? Or does it convert this to a string? What does so puts? Okay, let's just do so for now, right? So converts to string. Yes. Okay. Got that. So I'm applying map on this. So basically I need to do map put strln on this. Can I do this? Like map and put string is going to return me a list of item. It's going to do this. If I'm not wrong, it should work. Cannot find information of factor f, functor f. So you need to but I think I need to import but I need to import that because it cannot find that map. Oh yes, it is from like system or io.map or is it like I do this. You can define the response to this map. What I'm doing basically is map sequence. Isn't it same as this? Like are you not doing this basically? This string. Okay, first let's remove this. Let's not give a type for now. So while processing right inside matrix we cannot find the information of functor. Whatever. What does a functor now? Maps x will convert a list of integer into a list of string. Yes, like I'm converting list of string. Basically what I'm doing is this converts list of int into a string. After that I'm putting that into string. That's not a function, so you cannot consider map string. No, it returns a list of item, right? I call this first, it returns the value, then I put that into this. Okay, that's what you want. Yes, I want that, but it doesn't. It's not working. I want to convert all that into a string. We call each item into map. Try that without the type sync. No, it doesn't work. I already typed it. This functor. Let's just do something like for now. Okay, right. Cannot find Mr. functor. It's having problem. Do I miss the spelling? No, spelling is right. Let's just do something like, which doesn't know you can show X. SIU. Okay, so I can use this now. I can just say like str oh string. Sorry, thank you. I saw str here, that's a third str. Okay, string this. Okay, so I'll have list of int what I have to do is map x. Wait a minute. So basically, convert everything into string. So string and can take multiple argument. Okay. So can it take like multiple element? Let's try that. So the error message talks about functional map in this works arbitrary from the notice. Okay. Sorry, I cannot find any elaborate resource on error. Type mismatch between type and string. Progression is string. Yes, that's the issue here right now. Like, it's returning the map of string. So SPL this page. Can I make it void function like something like this? Let's just do this. Let's put string length. ratios match. Back. Okay. Can I do something like map x if it's natural, then give no if one, then yes, I want case. Okay, case x put strln a case of. Okay, thank you. So how does it look? Case x case x of this this case. What is happening? Okay, it's cost to arrow, and okay, that I don't need to put this, and it's cost to arrow. Ascol is case x of, and is match x with adjacent text. Okay. If I remember correctly in OCaml, what did I do? I'm with not your IU and string you want list IU. Okay. While processing right inside it, and you find list IU in the system. I'm sorry, and list IU. So it's making sense right now. For now, does it compile? It takes ages to compile, like. The messages in it are very good. The problem is the language is quite advanced. When you keep the code simple, the error messages are. I'm trying my best. So let's define a list. My list has to be list of int. So my list is equals to, how do I define a list? List. Yes, that's the why the message was there for. Okay. Let's define a list now. List is data A. Okay, I can define something like directly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that right? Okay, it's right. So in main, I have to do something like display matrix my list. But it takes too much time to compile. Why is that? I don't get that. What's right inside of it? We'll see. Okay. Miss IU and IU what a undefined name main dot main. It was main function to add this. So how do I call this and discard its return value? you need to sequence this. You need to sequence this. Like it wants main function to have only IO, but this returns. I don't want to return this value to main. I have to trap this value inside this. Something like, let's say, can I find an example of it? For instance, perform sequence position. So at least in ASCII the sequence will be in so estimate also map to vector 2. Okay. I think it will not work, or it doesn't work. It will be plus. It should not work from what I have seen till now. Hello induce of what is this induce? I couldn't pronounce it. I'm sorry. Induce soft. Bricky hello. What is induce? Induce soft. Okay. SE sequence. That's inside manual and find IU list. Now it has list of empty thing. Try sequence underscore. What does sequence underscore does now? I literally just typing whatever you're writing. I got the code right, but okay. Sequence ports A.2 sequence ports list. Okay, I got it. Thank you so much. So basically, SQUAR square. Entirely superior akala interakan vakal SQUAR. Now if it's one, I took this right. You really don't care about the value stored in the monad. You just want the monadic action outputting. Yes, I just want to value output. So what I have to do is map display max. Display row. Let's add display row now. Display column, right? Now let's do display row. It's going to take list of int. It's going to return list of IO. So especially what there you go main has to be IO, so you need some plumbing discard don't care. Yes, I need to know about this feature, but now my main motive is to just make it work for as of now. I think so. This is going to be like case X of A. No, I don't want to first element and last element. First element and all element. So display column A. तिम्रो हृदयमा पिक्सल बस्यो तिम्रो आवाजले can I do something like B? What happened? Did my sublime crash just now? I have to write as A.S to mean the first A and all of them. Okay. But I saw double colon as separator spreader. It was double colon, I think. Is double colon. This orders. Basically, what I have to do is create a list of this. What you could just write instead map columns. Oh yes. I have row, right? Row of element. Yes. I have to write this here. I was doing overwork. Sorry. Thank you. So it just maps. So I don't. I need that. It's going to be list of list. What you could say. So basically map to x. Case x. First others display to for first in case what is nil nil. It was something like nil null. By the way, inter first function I have to perform it. Inter sp some separator between the element list, separate the value of this interface. No, I don't want to do that. I want to do like take first row, display that first row, and something like again display matrix on others and seq sequence underscore that. In case of nil, just new line. It's not going to work, I know that for sure, but what's happening? This one is in fine list to this activity list type A. My list means written int. Okay. List of int. Basically, I want a list of 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. 1, 1, 1, 1. If you use sequence under, be sure to add pairs. Okay. So by the instead of a dollar b c, this great simplifies things when you have a lot of waste. So I can do a dollar bc. So here I can do something like $8 interest of support server in the left hand side, which is improvement over as well. Exactly. Okay, nice. So now let's solve this error. By processing right hand side of matrix when finding list empty. So this, okay, I need to do something like this. I think I don't need to put sequence here, right? Because I'm consuming it by sequence down here, so that's causing me an issue first now. That's why you love Idris for this. Idris too. So while processing right inside of this matrix, I cannot find any switch to solve. List A, tab A, between tab A and list A, display matrix A. I'm getting list of this stream A and list tab, display matrix others. So it's going to be okay. It has written IO in case of nil. But this is going to return the list of IO. So basically here I'm going to have, I need to, instead of making list, I have to do something like, so we are putting the output to display matrix in a list. Yes, I want to do something like first display row. I think we want to do map display row first colon display or something. I want to append, does colon appends, right? App and append, full append, maybe append, map append. Split. Concat. One, two, three. Yes, that's why I want to like concat this, make this into a list. Display row. Okay, this and concat this, because this is going to return me list of IO, and this is either going to return me list of IO. Yes, does happen just like on the left hand side. Okay, so basically this of IO append either this, which is going to return me this, so this have to be list because it's a list of IO. So this is going to be list of IO, other is going to be list of IO, or list plus this. So prelude while in finding list A what mismatch, list A IO, list A between list IO and list stream A. List stream in find list IO and list stream. was is a synthetic and parents around my display first. Okay. What is saying that stream A, list A, stream A. This returning me stream A. Oh, okay, it's calling this. You get the same error, but I'll show you how to fix it. Okay. Okay, let me compile it. Oh, comment output is in. Now it's showing error here. Okay, nice. Comment out the both side of. What are you doing? Both side. No, in their side, what old? Now, what is old? Like you are interested in completing new. What old one? What old? You're interested in new terms and terminology that I don't know. This ten type. What old one, old two, HOL, yes. So let me recompile it. So what is a predominant type? Mismatch type int a. Let's not return type for now. I think I misspelled the nil at first. Let's just do that. No, I don't. It's nil. What will do? What will do? List what a. Prelude in fine stream what a. Oh, mismatch stream and IO. Okay, mismatch stream what and type. I'm gonna say the type of stream you don't want stream. Okay. What does this do? All. So let's see. Okay. Life happens. This life. Comment out to all one all two and replace with. Okay. What is this number like? Is it arbitrary number or it has to do something specific? Oh, was I equivalent to 3 mirror? Oh, so is it compile time mirror or runtime mirror? Because I'm not able to compile my program right as of now. Morning compiling all. Okay, it gave me compiling all. Infinite stream A. but I'm returning list. They are runtime error, but explicitly one which are caused by program or initially. So, okay. Okay, this is x is int for string. Okay. Data types natural number is z or s natural number. List is either nil or item of A and list A. The declaration article convention level type where s natural number takes gives natural number list takes list. Okay, it fixes the functions plus net plus be right back. Okay, text plus z addition z text y implication y z. So s is actually the base value. Base value of natural number is 1. Okay, in this natural function okay. Money that I know and away and put z is 0 0 I want to sk I want or k where or z equals to false or sk even k. So it's just switching back and forth, return true and false according to that. Test list and list is c sn c and d where c x equals to 42 plus x dy equals to was can contain was stands for information part of program. For example, before forgetting our syntax repeating type of false was there type of from x to x false, list turn 0 to false, x to x plus समय लाजु के गर्नु पर्खन let's listen. One day can I give type there? Especially if single. Can you show your code again? I think I remove everything. So this is the code I'm trying to reproduce the bug. Where is your button now? बनाइरहेछौ किन एकबाट एक्कासी टाढिन त so it's getting evaluated and put onto a list, but I don't want to evaluate it, so I'm going to return this game संसार मेरो त तिमीसँग Toma Berosiko. I don't want to evaluate it, I want to just do it. Samatu Mero Kamunatu yo Timi Mero Ucapne su Timilai ma Anggali Mero. SPI spread SP spread, what do we call spread? Spread fold. Just do no first. Stop it. Indent your cases further. Wait a minute. Does indentation also work here? As I move first, need to be circle. This figure. Wait, does that help? It did give me a nice little message now. Do I have formatter? No, it's not going to work because, like, if you think about it, no, look, if I put this gets evaluated, and when this gets evaluated, instead of IO it becomes stream, so it's going to be list of stream. Are you getting what I'm saying? So if I put script packet around, it's going to be evaluated, computed. So instead of returning put string, which sequence can call into first. Okay. Hold one. Good. Just try to do this. Wait. So don't tell me it was just indentation error after all. No worries. So the whole time the problem was just indentation. You literally solved this earlier. You should have just said me the key mismatch a bit in this time. Okay. I experienced similar problem while running Python for the first time in my life. Python was my first programming language, and indentation was a problem for me. Now again I am interested in that. Now what's the problem? Basically, yes. Never thought about this, like it has to be indented. But it's working here, right? Why is this working here? Or if I do this, it is going to crash. Okay, I see now. They have to be on same level. Okay. So we say this small space causes all the error. It's so this is going to return. So So this will first as type list type and other type reduce with content. Okay. Thank you. This is not the ideal way of dealing with this file for now. So I have first row. Basically what I am to do is I want to put new line after each line. Can I just do something like do nothing? Like in bracket we have, I can do something like okay. Don't start recording while you're recording. Okay, so instead of print line I have to do print. It took me 2 hours just to do this. Damn. Now what's causing this? Like how is putting new line automatically? First row. Put a new line and this matrix. This cardinal here is putting it double. So instead of putting it twice, can I do something like this? Because you are doing pushing and both. Oh, damn! I'm very dumb. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, finally. Now, as always, after displaying, I have to write a live count. I think I can define type alias, right? Type alias something like matrix matrix is list of int. Can I define type alias, right? Matrix is this, and I'm right here like matrix and do matrix. Yes, look this. So for now, let's leave it here. Let's do it. LR count is going to take me list of. You want matrix is type of file. Oh, yes. Oh, it's cost to. My bad. Let's try that. Because this type is like list of it. Do I wanna do? Awala dulcula timbra kaima upirana de is error. If it takes more than X amount of time, it's error for sure. Oh, I erased the error, sorry. matrix. I'm a bit matrix matrix. Also, you need. I think it's going to because brackets are not compulsory. I think, as of what I know, you might need to say type is well. type is. Wait, I have wait. In some other example, I have seen to defining a type. Wait. Here, data mality, yes or no. So I can do something like. I think it already worked. Thank you. matrx. Where there is a comparison, the kind of list is type list. So are you showing something like type? Yes, type is kind. No, you want matrix. Oh, okay. This can, okay, my bad. Matrix matrix. Lab contains matrix and returns int. So let's define the matrix is one type, list is an infinite family of types. That's why list type and list in type. Got it. So now I want a for loop. For our range, iterate. If I remember properly, no camel, I did something like map. Yeah. This way to do looping is with a recursive function. That's the problem here. Like I need a nested loop. I can do that, right? But it is going to be worth it because it's not only going to take this, it's just going to take x int and int. It's because it's going to be alive count trs matrix comma row comma cool. Here are more methods of doing it. Mechanical function is always switched. Like doing a recursion is not optimal for right now because I want something like for like zero zero in the -1 2 1 for the colon -1 2 1 matrix and matrix row plus 0 and all this at colon plus deco and in the case of local var of int var is equal to 0 incur local var 0 prisma now unit matrix intent with comma, otherwise you try to passing int and int tab level function. Okay, thank you. Matrix of type int and int. Okay, I got it. Okay, so this is what I want, and finally return local var. So for that I need to do something like let's try to record. For this I think I can use this. Oh. And outer loop. To translate for loops recursion call every local value should be made into argument to the initial value of local value or value that I call. Yes. It's a nested for loop, that's the main problem, right? I also have to do something like case list of decolon of zero comma zero, then name and any other, then do this. Because you have only 9 cases in your folder, you can consistently write in. that will make very long code. Like if I did that in Ada, not pretty, but it was something. What is Ada? Ada. Let's see for Ada. Git. So that's what I want to say is that it becomes very long. So yes, I did that last time. It becomes very long. Instead of very small code, it becomes very long code. Basically, OCaml has like loops in there. OCaml, it has loops. It has like this is how I did it in OCaml. Oh, I did it in very neat way. I like it myself. So I'm using filter. I'm going to copy my OCaml approach. I love it. So basically what I'm going to do is filter. It needs to have filter, right? Filter append this filter. Isn't there the simple filter? You can start by creating two more argument of a function I and j, and which will both start out with -1. I also have to keep track of count and then in this. Let me try to implement this exact same thing. Like it has length for sure, and GPS length, right? Index iterate mapping function over list does not change the length of list. Length will prove that we get for each list of count. Basically length works. GTS length of a materials matrix. If that works, then I can do something good, like something like directions is this matrix. This will be basically, this is how I did 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Length 1 2. Okay. Do you have something like filter? So I want to create something like there is a description for the filter. Okay. That reflects the process. filter. Address filter. Okay, I basically have a filter. Look up. Let's go take. Command. Look up. Kaliha. Zamanku pelai de kamu, cuman mazane tahu malah de kamu. Oh, I'm sorry. Drop tick. I want something that returns only a. Find a particular element of it. Okay. And access list. Index. TRX matrix row plus data. For the tool query list. Why? Is this me speaking? Because with vector the compiler will not complain about out of bounds. Oh no, I'm going to wrap that. I need to wrap that because my whole approach will not work for that. But how do you do modulus other mod? Is there a mod? Or do I do just some percentage? Vector at least where compiler knows the length. I don't need kind of like I don't need the list right now, like length of the list. But where did I put this bracket? I need to do modulus. Can you help me with that? Tuple also require parameter for their values, not the styles. Okay, thank you. So I'm going to plus this mod like mod and then is length of material matrix. I don't know if defined. You can use mod. Okay, thank you. I want the mod. Index of mod so before. Oh, okay, it's a function. Got it. Thank you. Index of this matrix 0. GTS GTS length of index of matrix. So if I'm not wrong, I need to get a lot of error, but what I was putting. Mr. between net and int. So the length is for strings, not list. at an interceptor. Really? What? Why? Undefined matrix. Eh? Every list has length of at least. Every list has length of at least. Natural number starts from 1. Why does it give you have list A entity for that but to put for them? My bad. Thank you. I don't understand, like, why does it give me error on old code that is functioning? Matrix is not defined, so just define this. So I messed up something here. Address differences are from top button, so you cannot do something before it. Oh, no. It will work if I put here, right? The only problem is that I have messed up something here. Because of this definition is getting corrupted. That's why it's not getting. If I put here, it will work. It will work. What could work? Where is this? No, it worked last time, right? I printed and show you because I had this for reward here. Okay, but it worked last time. I think I might be hallucinating. Sorry. So what's the problem here? List A. Processing on right hand side of list and because you are calling a lister instead of passing to content. Okay, thank you. So will this work? Let's try it. So basically what I can do is print, then is print put int list length my list comma so that's how you can go on. So I have to do strlen and so Pressing right hand side menu to find to string. What do you mean by that? Am I not doing this correct? Always right inside when you find what device string, what device string, string. Should I collapse it? Let's see. Why do I do that? Dot means compose it. Okay. I need to learn the language first. Looks like the list is working, the counter is working. F of gx means f dot gx basically means f of g of x. Okay, got it. Oh yes, you said something like dollar. I have to put dollar, otherwise I have to put bracket myself. Yes, my bad, I forgot that. Like here I can do something like dollar display matrix. That is considerably clear. Is a function that converts something to a string. But I got more confused there. I think I like this better. Composing, I can see visually like it computes this first, after that the input goes there. But when I do this, like, but if I do this, my brain goes like, I'm calling this with this. My brain skips this dot because I might not have that much experience in this language. So that's my problem. This is very useful for oh, nice. Okay, now let's solve this. You find list int list what int okay, so let's go for first. What processing list intent list what intent list what int I want to do like what type. I want to have this like dynamic. How do I do this? For now I can do like matrix and solve the problem, but I want to make it dynamic because I want to use this length every time next time. How do I say that length is dynamic? List int. Let's just do something like why are you just screwing things up? For now let's just do something like okay, I need to sleep now, but for now let's see this what happened here. Okay, I see the first problem. Okay, I saw my first problem. So from true comma calling, do I have to separate it by space? Let's get constants. I think okay, it's space 0, comma equal second final result. Okay, list type list and list to comma int. Oh, I got it. The issue was with like comma 0. Now listen in method lookup list int the mama paninda gunsa mama paninda gunsa mani what pushing bool. Okay, so it's return bool. Yes. What is boolean value? TRE. boolean and boolean. Stuff it. Okay, this is going to be stuff it. That's मेरो सुरिलो तके छ र गीत मेरो चाहने तिमी विनै हो मलाई चाहिने so basically if I do string length dollar so like my list come on तिमीमा गर यो दुनियाँको तिमी बसेको छ दुनिया मेरो परवाह नगर यो या मेरो गिरी status from view EW oh status status let's stage status stage okay. Okay, फर्केर package Good start. Thank you. I think I'll finish that tomorrow. Yes, like I'm doing so much procedural, I think procedurally, but I remember that I did some. Yeah, so that's why I have to look back into my old code. Then then everything snaps back. Like now I know what I'm trying to do. Thank you so much. This climbing. Timmy just say it was yesterday, so yes.